In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn your raw notes into a polished article using ChatGPT, a powerful AI tool. The journey we'll embark on today is not just about transforming your notes, but also about understanding how to make the most of this intelligent system to meet your specific needs. So, let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to chat.openai.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. This step is essential because it ensures you'll have access to all the features ChatGPT offers. If you don't already have an account, you may need to sign up. Once logged in, you'll find yourself in the chat interface where all the magic happens. Next, locate your raw notes. Let's say you have notes that look like this. Anna's Bakery opened in 2018, specializes in French pastries, won Best Croissant in Town Award 2022, and plans to open a second branch next year. Copy these notes, making sure to include all the details you want to transform. In the chat box of ChatGPT, paste your notes. This step is critical because these notes are your primary content, the raw material for the article you're about to create. Once your notes are in the chat box, you're ready to move on to the next step, which involves specifying your request. Now, you need to type your request clearly. You might write something like, "Turn these notes into a 500-word news-style article." This request tells ChatGPT exactly what you want, a structured news article of a specific length, but you can further refine your request to meet specific requirements. For instance, you might add, "Make it sound warm and friendly for a community newsletter." Specific details like this help ChatGPT understand the tone and style you're looking for. Once you've crafted your request, press Enter or click the Send icon. Doing so prompts ChatGPT to process your request and produce a draft. This step is where you can watch the AI tool work its magic, generating an article based on your notes and specifications. After ChatGPT has provided the draft, it's time for you to review it. Look through the draft carefully and edit any details to ensure accuracy and relevancy. This review step is crucial because it ensures the final output aligns with your expectations and remains factually correct. If, after reviewing, you find that the draft isn't exactly what you wanted in terms of length or tone, you can ask ChatGPT to create a shorter or longer version, or to adjust the tone slightly. Simply provide feedback in the chat and let the AI refine its output for you. Lastly, once you're satisfied with the article, copy the final version and paste it into your blog, newsletter, or publication platform of choice. This step brings the process full circle, from raw notes to a refined article ready for your audience. Now, you have all the steps in hand to easily transform your raw notes into a professional article using ChatGPT. Happy writing!